Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're going to have a quick update on the brick cheese and see how it's travelling. It's been 3 weeks since I made the brick cheese and it's starting to turn orange, which is a very good sign, or reddish. But it's time for its regular weekly now washing, and we'll get into that and show you how that's done. So I've already got my brine solution. I've had that there for a while. So let's just take the cheese out of the container. And it's staying fairly moist because I've got this chucks that's absorbing all the moisture in there and keeping it at the right humidity. So it's got a wonderful smell, as most Brevibacterium Linens cheeses do, or washed rind. So let me just dunk that in there. Let's give it a squeeze out. That's all you need to do. That's all the water you need. Just take it off the mat. Starting to get it smear, which is great. All I'm doing here basically is making sure that that smear is going to coat the entire surface. So it has flattened out a little bit, that's okay. But all in all, the cheese is looking good. A little bit of blue there, get rid of that. There's a little bit of blue mold there as well, get rid of that. Okay, so we'll just turn it back onto the other side. So while I'm here, I'm just going to give the lid, it's got moisture on it. You don't want moisture dropping onto your cheese because it makes the top of it go soggy. So we'll just a quick wipe with paper towel. And we'll put the cheese away. So there we go, curd nerds. It's all washed, and I'm just going to pop it back into the box right now. And I'll have a look at that again in a few days. Now, I don't necessarily wash it every second day. I just have a look, make sure that the bloom's going okay and there's no unwanted molds like Penicillium roqueforti or anything like that that may be lurking from the cheese cave and into the ripening box. But at the moment it's going very well. The orange bloom is starting to grow, as you saw, and that's fantastic. Now if you want to check out how this cheese was made, then you can click over here. And don't forget that the show is supported by patrons. If you want to pledge your support, pop over to patreon.com. Thanks for watching, curd nerds, and I'll see you next time.